Students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our topic for class 7th, subject science. Now we will discuss today mechanical energy and chemical energy first. Mechanical energy, it is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy, that is the energy associated with the motion and the position of an object, is known as mechanical energy. Dear students, you know the mechanical energy, it is the sum total of potential energy and the kinetic energy. So we can write here that mechanical energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square, that is, and plus mgh, that is potential energy. So it is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy, that is the energy associated with the motion and the position of an object. Thus we can derive the formula of mechanical energy as mechanical energy is equal to potential energy and kinetic energy. So the mechanical energy is 1 by 2 mv square plus mgh. So this is the formula for mechanical energy. So dear students, if we find the mechanical energy of an object, we can derive it by using this formula. Mechanical energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square plus mgh, where m is the mass, v is the velocity, h is the height, g is the gravitational acceleration due to gravity. Next is chemical energy. Chemical energy is stored in a chemical substance in between the bonds of atoms in compounds. Chemical energy is stored in a chemical substance in between the bonds of atoms in compounds. So जो chemical energy जो है ये स्टोर होती है केमिकल सब्सटेंस में. जैसे हम किसी एटम की बात करें, between the bonds of atoms in compounds, it is stored in a substance of any compound, that is chemical energy. In some given temperature and environment, energy can be released or absorbed because of reaction. Now dear students, we can say that chemical energy is stored in a chemical substance in between the bonds of atoms in compounds in a same given temperature and environment. Energy can be released or absorbed because of a reaction between a set of chemical substances is equal to the difference between the energy contents of the products and the reactants. यहाँ से some other types of energy are electric, magnetic, radiant, nuclear, ionization, elastic, gravitational, thermal, heat and mechanical energy. So these are the types of energy we have discussed here. So the main three types of energy is kinetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy. So the difference between types of energy, different types of energy resources. Energy resources are used as fuels. Fuels are used in machines, automobiles and other industries. They are used in thermal plants to generate electricity. Energy resources can be classified into two types: non-renewable and renewable. Before we go for non-renewable and renewable, there are also two types of energy, that is natural and artificial energy. So dear students, the example of natural energy is, as you know, is sun and stars. But सन इज़ द विजिबल एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नेचुरल एनर्जी। प्यारे बच्चों, आप देख रहे हैं सन से हमारे बहुत सारे काम हल हो रहे हैं। जैसे आजकल हम देख रहे हैं कि थर्मल एनर्जी, थर्मल जो हम देख रहे हैं, सोलर एनर्जी, ये तो हमें मिलता है द नेचुरल रिसोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी। तो कल हम डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट इज़ रिन्यूएबल एंड नॉन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी। तब तक के लिए थैंक्स एंड गुड बाय।